back to Sonic World. So today we are going to show how to paint waterfalls painting. So let's get started. For this we are using light blue, white, yellow, green, dark blue, black, brown and green. So let's get started. Nikesh is also doing with me. First we need to put some light blue color. And afterwards white color. Next lime yellow color. Okay, Nikesh, really fastly. So yeah. First we need to blend this blue color. We are using acrylic brush or acrylic colors. Like that you need to blend it with the brush, with the paintbrush. Now we are going to blend white color. And now you need to blend it in the middle, and it should blend in dark blue color, and it should look like this in the light blue color. And now we are going to blend yellow color. You need to blend it like this. And we need to blend yellow and white. Okay, now it's okay. It should look like this, as similar as it been shown in the video. Now take the dark blue color. From here you need to do other, see, and just put like this 3 dots like this, 3 or 4 like that. How you think? And now you need to blend the colors. But you should not touch it with the yellow color. 2, 3, 4. And just blend it in this way, like this. This is the waterfalls that now it's not looking afterwards. It will look like waterfalls with some highlights. See, like this, and let it dry. After few minutes it's like this. Now you need to take black color. Okay, and just keep few dots, small dots over here, like this. If you are using acrylic bottles type paints, you can just keep it with the paintbrush. If you are using tubes, you can do it in this way. And now just take your paintbrush and just blend it like this. But you should not do this side, because that side we are going to do some trees. It looks like hair. Okay. Okay. And in the other side you need to do same thing. A few minutes it looks like this. Now you need to take anything like this and add some blue color to it, and add some white color to make sky blue color. White and blue, and mix it like this with the brush. Mix properly. I'm mixing properly, Nikesh. So after it looks like this, now we are going to take a flat brush and just put it like this, and just you need to do it gently. like this. I'm going to use white, but this one you need to do more gently. Now you need to put some dots like this, water splashing at the waterfalls. Okay. Now we are going to put some blue color and you need to put at the down area of the painting. Just do it like this up to here. If it's more thinner, you need to add more black color to it. And now take the brown color and draw the tree. Like this, and just okay, now you need to let it dry for few minutes. The leaves I'm using green color. Just put it like this. We are using acrylic paints for this. Make double trees. Yes, I make one tree. Okay, you made just 2 trees. I made one side. I made 4 trees. Okay. You need to do the same like this. And now we are going to do it other side. Now you need to draw like this at the down area to make it as a land. Because land has grass, add a little bit like this to make it like a grass. Nikesh, your painting is looking nice. Yeah. Sure? Or not? You need to paint like this. So, this is our painting. Now we are going to give some highlights to it. In this white areas, I'm going to fill it with green and yellow. In the white areas, you need to take a green and fill it like this. Same with other side. And also you can add little bit of water if it is thick. Just you can add 1-2 drops of water. Give the highlights in this way. After giving some highlights with green color, now we are going to give it with yellow color. See? Now we are going to give more. We need to give touch-ups like highlights to this black color rock and this water. Use some green and just take this black rocks like this. You need to give this highlights to make the rocks more denser. Now we are going to give highlights for this trees. So for that we are using yellow color. I'm going to add it. Some yellow color and give little bit highlights to the trees and just like that, and tap it with your finger. Just don't add too much of yellow color. Just near the rocks you need to add, because or else it will be same in the black color, this green color that we added before. So I'm adding this. So if you think one side of the black is lighter and one side of it is thicker, and you in the lighter area you can just do some grass like this. Or else just you can add green color and yellow color. I'm going to give some highlights at the water at the down area. As well, we mixed this light blue color. By mixing blue color and white color, you need to do same thing to make this highlights. You should not put the whole color to this blue, dark blue color. If you have normal light blue color, you can also use that also. Take some white color and just put it in this way. So friends, we done painting. So this is my painting that I done, and also I do some birds over here with some markers, and also it looks so nice. It's very easy to do this painting. So this is my painting, and this is my painting. This is Nikesh painting. See, you can just totally see the difference between it, because I painted some 4 trees and Nikesh painted some 2 trees. In my painting there are no rocks, but in the Nikesh painting we have 4 rocks, okay? And this hills type. So friends, these are our paintings. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and like and share. And we will see you next